Morning, Steve Free in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Beans are a little bit lower while corn and wheat's a little bit higher. I think the trade is still watching the talks between the United States and China about the tariffs, and there are more and more people that believe that they won't come to a complete resolution and that the U.S. may slap tariffs on some China goods, which could mean that the Chinese could retaliate and slap a tariff on U.S. soybeans. As of now, China is not unloading U.S. soybean boats that are arriving, and they are not buying any new U.S. beans, and most of the beans they buy right now is from Brazil. And Brazil prices have dropped below U.S. cargoes, and in China, buyers have slowed their buying of recent weeks following poor demand for animal feed ingredients, and kind of watching that all kind of play out as far as demand for China beans and where they're buying it from. And that offers resistance to the bean market. So beans are basically trading headline news. I mean, if something positive comes out of the talks, leaked out of the talks, or something like that, we would rally. And if nothing happens, we will break. Corn market might be adding a little bit of weather premium. When we look at the last 30 days precip percent of normal for the Midwest, there's an area across Illinois and Indiana that's been dry, and we'll see if they get some rains in the next few weeks. Our weather guy is soon going to put out a special report thinking that in the Midwest we are making a transition from spring weather to summer weather. And there are some, including him, that think that we could slowly dry out in the western Midwest, not the eastern Midwest. We're already watching pretty closely to see if temperatures this year are warmer on an average versus the last couple of years, and how that will affect not only yields but also final carryouts. We also noted that yesterday one of the private groups made an estimate of the 2018 plantings by crop. Bean plantings are a little bit above the USDA number. Corn plantings also a little bit above USDA's March numbers. And so we'll kind of see if farmers actually get those acres planted versus the March intentions. At the end of June, we'll get another report from the USDA on what farmers' final intentions are, crop acres. Finally, a Republican senator is saying that the EPA chief Pruitt, he must reduce the use of biofuel waivers for small refiners, or he will join other lawmakers calling for his resignation. So again, looking at some of these waivers and kind of asking the question if they're legal or not, and we'll see what kind of happens down the road to all the renewable fuel standards that people are trying to change in Washington. Funds still long 120 beans, 120 meal, short 60 oil, long almost 200,000 corn, and short 12,000 wheat. And the main question is, will they hold these positions into any trade issues in the beans? And will they hold the corn position if the weather turns favorable for the U.S. Midwest? You still have, I'll say, 99.9% of analysts that are bullish corn right now and thinking that the lower supply is going to push prices higher. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day.